Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting opportunity to share with you the UI/UX design work-from-home internship at AskMeOffers. Let's dive right into the details. First, let's talk about the highlights of this internship. Start date immediately. Duration 2 months. Stipend 30,000 rupees per month. Apply by 30th June 2024. This is a fantastic chance for anyone looking to kickstart their career in UI/UX design. Now, let's get into what this internship is all about. You'll hone your skills and gain real-world experience. Tasks include user research, wireframing, visual design, and user testing. You'll also work on interaction design, design documentation, and collaboration. Learn accessibility compliance, iterative design, and UI development. Engage in prototyping, usability analysis, and continuous learning. Effective communication is key. To apply, you need to have skills in Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe XD, Figma, Sketch, UI and UX design, user interface development, wireframing. If you've got these skills, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. So, who can apply? Well, you should be available for the work-from-home job or internship. Be able to start between the 10th of May and the 30th of June, 2024. Be available for the full duration of 2 months. And, of course, have relevant skills and interests. And now let's talk about the perks and benefits. Certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, job offer. These are some great incentives to make your internship experience worthwhile. A bit about AskMeOffers. Headquartered in Hyderabad with a software office in Bengaluru, AskMeOffers was established in 2010. They partner with top stores like Flipkart, Amazon, Make My Trip, Oyo Rooms, and Swiggy. With over 2,000 online brands listed and around 7.5 million newsletter subscribers, AskMeOffers is the largest discount and coupon destination in the world. Their goal is to help you save money and make better shopping choices through discounts and cashback offers. Ready to apply? Just click the link provided in the description below and follow the instructions. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to advance your UI/UX design career. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more internship opportunities and career tips. See you in the next video.